name is Hani. I'm from Philips Chevrolet, and this is Kareem.
Abdel from Philips
And this is Asma Muhammad. Asma Muhammad bought a 2013 Equinox. You can take a look at it outside. It's a white one. Here we are. And she's gonna tell us, this is the second car or the third car?
This is my third car. I had two HHRs, and now I have the Equinox, and I'm very pleased. Kareem called me, and he did not give up because I wasn't available the first time. He called me back and told me that this was a good time to come in and see about another purchase or upgrade, and I was thrilled, and I was even more thrilled to find out that I could do it at this time.
Oh yeah. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Come
Thank
see
you,
us at
Philips Chevrolet.
Chevrolet. Yes.
More reference.